made $4,000 in one trade. That's crazy for the start of the week. Right here. Damn, that shit gave me a shitty entry with that damn wick. For right now, I'm in the back of a car. I'm not in the front of the car. I'm sitting in my garage. I didn't feel like trading upstairs. I wanted to come down to this car and sit in the back of it because this shit thorough. So far as the W trade is almost going to his TP. Hey, I'm break even on there.
So we have 2 bands in the Gucci store.
He got smacked. That's what patience calls for. And it was literally smacked the CP and immediately dropped. Hey, that's what happens when you can make money anywhere. Sometimes you just don't want to trade with a nice view. But this is the iPad that I had got here. I'm out here getting a workout. We're about to hit TP. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And right now I'm in the back of a car. I don't want to show you what the car is just yet. I'm gonna leave it a little suspenseful, you know what I'm saying? Now you got something to look forward to. But right now I'm in the back of a car. I'm not in the front of the car. I'm sitting in my garage. I didn't feel like trading upstairs. I wanted to come down to this car and sit in the back of it because this shit thorough. Come on, Maybach vibes. It's not a Maybach, but it's damn near close enough. But with all that talking and yapping, we're gonna have a great day. It is Monday. It's a little bit dark in here, but we're gonna have a great session. We're gonna give some value, change lives, maybe make some money, maybe lose a trade, maybe catch nothing. We had news with the tariffs, some shit with Trump and China. All I know is the market's up like 700-800 points, so we might not even get a trade. But all I know is I'm gonna follow the process, follow the plan, and whatever happens is gonna happen. Watch the long right now, and this is moving real fast. I mean, I like the longs. 100 points would be the safest bet though. Fuck 50. I ain't trying to take a L on some crazy shit today. Put these contracts down. I like the longs. It's possible. 100 point stop, 4-hour gap, bullish already. My only concern would be that we just start pulling back deeper than I would expect. But I like the overall longs from down here. It's not a bad idea. It's just betting on the fact that we're going to keep trending higher. I don't want to bet that we're just going to retrace. If we retrace, then I'll wait for it to fully retrace and watch another long, personally. All right, if it comes back to this 4-hour, I'm gonna take my first entry right here. Damn, that shit gave me a shitty entry with that damn wick. Fuck you. Fuck you. As soon as that shit dropped, it wicked up like 5-10 points. Whatever, I got a 100 point stop. This is my first trade off the 4-hour gap. I got 100 points just in case they do want to start pulling back crazy. But right now, my thought process is I want to see price continue moving bullish. If it starts pulling back, I'm not selling from up here. I'll wait for the next gap. The next gap is probably right down here where my stop loss is. So if it has some other confirmations with it, I'll watch it. But in terms of me wanting to be bullish, this 4-hour gap is what I trust. If I would have used 50 points, this shit would have fucking stopped me out just to go back up, bro. You know, I'm gonna keep rolling. There we go, we pushing. That's the only thing. Mondays, you just gotta be cautious because they could be hit or miss. After having an 800 point move with the tariffs, for all I know, we might not even move that much at all. Hey, at least we'll have a chance to take advantage of opportunity. Finally started getting this movement, but that's the 1L. Probably not gonna take anything after that, to be honest. We don't got the volume right now. I mean, the other trade I was watching was these longs below, but I don't know, with the way we're moving, it's mad slow, and I don't know if I'm gonna try to be in a trade for all this time. I'll watch it what it does down here, but besides that, I might just leave it a small little L on the funded. Like, I just wanna see it get to like 42,200. Like, that'll be a decent entry for me. Since it did tap it, I'm gonna get it right here because it did hit a little bit ago. My stop loss go. All right, hold on. So as of right now, a little update on the trades. First trade was a L. It is what it is. That's like my first L in a week. I'll take it. Mondays aren't usually the best days. That's also why I only traded the funded account. I didn't trade the live account, 100% just on the funded. So that's cool. We're in another trade right now, but we're going to see what it does. But I do have to hop on a call with one of my students. So that is the vibes as of right now. Yo, what's going on, Birdie?
What's going on, man?
Shit, nothing much. Today was slow as shit. I ain't gonna lie. It comes to like days like this, especially like news-induced days, especially on the indexes, I always tell everyone, don't bet on the retracement, because every time you think that shit gonna retrace, you think it's gonna shit just wanna keep on going. You be like, why? It can't keep going up. Why would it keep going up? It always just keeps going up. Like right now, I'm in longs on NAS. Like this is my last trade. I took longs on 30, and you know what it did? Ran to stop me out, and that shit is, you saw what it was doing. But that's just how it be sometimes. Like even me, someone that knows what I'm looking for, that's also why I didn't go in heavy on Mondays. Mondays aren't the best days in terms of price actions because there's not much to go off of. All we have is today. We don't have price action from yesterday. We don't have price action from the day before, like we would have like if it was a Thursday or a Friday, right? So it's just kind of, you want to see what it's like, see what it's hitting for, because for all I know, this shit just keeps on dropping. The day's not over yet, and then we can come back tomorrow and it's a whole different situation. But Monday's a good day to just test the water, see what it's like. And I try to avoid going to a live account as soon as possible, just because it's gonna cost more money. Like at the end of the day, if you wanna go the fun day route, if you go the prop firm route, you're gonna be able to make more from less money. And then if you actually can trade, if you actually can do these things that we're saying that we could do, we can always go back to the live account. We can always get a withdrawal, get a payout from a funded, then put it into a live account. But if we try to go the other way around, we're always gonna lose a lot more money if we are wrong. Right? And that's one of the things, we just want to be able to manage risk, because at the end of the day, you can spend a lot less and try to get a prop firm, or you can spend a lot more, but that money you're putting into a live account is going to be money you got to spend your time for. So even though you might lose money, you also are losing time if you say lose that. So it's going to hurt a lot more versus spending a little bit, proving to yourself, trying to get access to a lot more money in terms of leverage to make more, and then you can take it to the next level. And it's also going to be a lot less stress. It's going to be more stress-free. That's the thing. We don't want to have a lot of mental drainage, but if we're losing real money that we need to pay bills, or even losing real money that we spent our time to get, is gonna hurt, is gonna feel a lot heavier than it needs to. Still on the trade, and we're in drawdown, unfortunately, but I'm back in the crib. It's an ugly, rainy day. I ain't gonna lie, like it's pretty ugly and rainy, but guess what? We're gonna make the best of it. I ain't gonna lie, being in the back of that car was amazing. You could probably hear my dog trying to escape her area, but the back of that car, the Porsche, I just spoiled what the car was. Well, yeah, you got one step closer. Sorry, but now you know. But yeah, the back of that car was crazy. We had the seats like where we could put the music. I was in the back jamming, had the seat all the way back, chilling on some cruise control, on some chilling shit, just in the garage. Hey, that's what happens when you can make money anywhere. Sometimes you just don't want to trade with a nice view. You just decide you want to go trade in the car. It'd be like that sometimes, but that's the options. Most people don't have the option to do that. But like I was saying, today we're going on an adventure. We're gonna go to Orlando. That is the vibes. So we have a nice little drive. We're gonna get ready. She's gonna take a shower. Just gonna get everything situated. Now that the whole trading day is done, I did the one-on-one as you guys seen. But yeah, on to the next. This is just another day in the life of a 22-year-old content creator / trader / entrepreneur, whatever you wanna call me. All right, as you guys can see, just updated the team and everything, letting them know that I actually moved my stop loss to break even when I hit $1,000 in profit. Whatever is gonna happen is gonna happen regardless if I wanted to or not. So the best thing to do is break even, manage risk. We just have one L for the day, but if this trade hits TP, we're gonna make that back plus some. So that's the vibes. But we're about to head on this car ride. We got about an hour and a half till we get to Orlando. Yeah, I'm about to pack up my computer and stuff just in case I have her drive and I wanna get something edited because I don't know what time I'm gonna get back. Yeah. We about to find out. Now we're on our way. I'm in the trade. I'm almost up to Wow. Almost. But all right, team, I'm about to show you guys the car now. You can see it is a Porsche, and it is a 4-door Porsche Panorama. This is the car that I'm gonna be whipping for the time being. Nothing crazy. It's not the fastest. It's not the loudest, but it's definitely a nice luxury car. As you guys saw earlier, I was in the back seat chilling. We got the red guts, red interior. And I'll show you the back seat because this is where I was at earlier. So yeah, now we're about to check this trade to see if we hit being up to Wow. And that's what really matters. Look, we're actually about to hit it. Good timing. Look at this. About to go to Wow on the trade. Almost. But yeah, let's get on this road. So far it's a W trade. It's almost going to its TP.
I really like to use cash.
Right now, we just got Chick-fil-A. I'm about to be up 3, and I ain't gonna lie, it's already late as shit in the day. It's almost 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock. And for you guys that know, when it comes to like, what the fuck? Yeah, for the people that trade on anything futures, you know that they don't let you hold past a certain time. Unfortunately, they close that shit at like 4:15. So I want to make sure I'm out the trade by then. But so honestly, when I'm up 3, since I've been in this trade for damn near 2 hours and it's about to be 2 o'clock, I think once I hit 3 in profit, I think I'm gonna be able to essentially close right there, especially because I started with a 100-point stop, and then since we were going so slow, I changed it to 50. Then when I broke even at 50 points. So we'll see. Regardless, it's a break-even trade. Regardless, we're only down 1 trade, but if I do take profit at this 3, I'm still up. So still a W. But I'll let you guys know what I do.
All right, so I'm liking these Gucci shoes. And I'm liking these Gucci slides. And I'm still waiting for this trip. TP is just playing around. The market's gonna be closing soon, but I'm break even. So whatever happens, it is what it is. But we have 2 bands in the Gucci store.
All right, team, we just got out the outlets. You probably seen the footage on the camera, but we just hit TP. TP got smacked. That's what patience calls for. And it was literally smacked the TP and immediately dropped. And look at the time, 4:04. I was just telling you guys earlier, you can put the GPS. I was just telling you guys earlier, patience, 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 patience. The market was gonna close at 4:15. It's 4:05, I got the TP hit, and we all out. Simple as that. But hey, practice makes perfect. And now we're about to head to the mall because I got the slides in the back, but we couldn't find on her side, so that's the mission as of right now. So we got a 22-minute drive. We're at the mall trying to see what we can find for her. Let's see what we could do. Couldn't find her no slides or anything, but ended up getting an iPad. So yeah, there's that. We about to do a little haul. So I'm about to put on my Gucci slides. You guys already know what they look like, but this is the iPad that I had got her. Pink iPad. Looks good, nice and shiny.
Put my slides on, and we about to get some food at World of Food Trucks in Kissimmee. Yo, this floor is wet as hell. Shit, I'm like playing floor is lava with it. Oh, that's wet. Oh yeah, we got our food. Boom. She got some. I'm not sure what this is. What is it?
It has churrasco, cream cheese, avocado, and it's like rolled in rice.
Interesting. I got churrasco and tostones. All right, now we're at Target, trying to get some stuff for the house before we go home for the final time. It's like, almost 9 o'clock at night right now, something like that. Yeah, we still got maybe 15, 20 minutes, so we're home anyway. Okay, this suddenly turned into a way bigger adventure. We got a carpet cleaner. What is she doing? Oh no.
Good morning, everybody. I'm sitting in the back of the Porsche. It is approximately 9:17 in the morning. We have 15 minutes till we're live with the team. Yesterday, we made $4,000 in one trade. That's crazy for the start of the week. Now, I did take a loss prior, but I made $4,000 in one trade. Crazy, right? And now I was thinking to myself, because by the time I got home, it was like 10:30, 11. I still had to eat and everything at night. I was tired. I was thinking to myself, damn, I got all this stuff to do. I'm working all the time. And then I really thought to myself, wait a minute. I don't gotta upload a video today. Like, I'm so ingrained to thinking I have to upload a video every day, thinking I have to do all these things that I tell myself I have to do, that I've literally rewired my brain to thinking I physically have to do it. I don't gotta upload a video every day. I don't gotta post content every day. I choose to, and I do it so much that it became a habit that I mentally thought I had no other choice, which is what I like because it's the reason I am right where I am. It's the reason I'm in the back of a Porsche about to be chilling back here, trading and possibly make another $4,000. Do what works, trust. It works for a reason. But with that being said, without all the yapping, we about to get started with the team. We about to enjoy being in the back of this car. I'm about to get on the call, and let's see if we can catch some trades again. It's going to be a very value-packed vlog, so I hope you're enjoying it so far. Today, I think we're going to go try Dave & Buster's because apparently they did like a remodel or something, so. Yeah, I'm about to watch these shorts. I'm trying to see what these shorts finna hit for. 100-point stop on 30 if it can give me a good retracement. I'm looking for it to reach for this low from 12 o'clock yesterday, and I'm watching this 4-hour gap for the short. I think 100 points is wide, but it's also wide enough where if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I just think we might go for this low before getting a full push. I'm overall bearish. Not bearish. I'm overall bullish, but I want to see us go down first. Run this low and then go higher. Because I like the way we look from London. Created that high and it started kind of dropping. But I want a better entry than where we are right now. Like this 4-hour gap right here, at least what price is this? That is like 363. Like around here, I'm looking for the shorts. Just leave without me, but we'll see. Still early. This area, and we don't break lower, I would watch the longs from this 1-hour imbalance from here. But if we start like really trying to push lower and reach for this wick, I think that's when I'll watch these shorts. But if we reach for this wick, I think it's just gonna keep dropping. I'm gonna try to be careful right now. Gotta be my first trade of the day. 100-point stop. If a 100-point stop ain't enough, then I don't know what enough is. I'm getting in on the live today, too. Just glad I'm in some sort of profit and not negative. So we just gotta keep waiting. Have another profitable day in the back of the back. Back of the back, I'm trying to make this my normal life. We going up. We going up. That shit is going. Oh my lord. Yeah, I'm break even on there. It's the only downside. I gotta get it to come a little bit higher since I got a 100-point stop. But it did run this high. If I could have got out at this high and this would have been my TP2, I would have got out at this high. Look at this bullshit. Yeah, go back up. Go back up. Ain't no reason to go all the way back down this far and stop me out break even. I'll stop break even. RIP on 30. 30 had a good little reaction, but that shit just, you know what I'm saying, was not trying to give. Price is very indecisive right now, to be honest. Like, I want to say it's going to give me that entry. That's the first trade. All I'm looking for is a 1 to 2. At least now we have this high here that has just building up liquidity because we came up the first time on the first trade and never ran it. So in my opinion, we're just kind of building up liquidity up. That's my idea. That's my thought process. All right, here we go. We're retracing. This is where I'm going to get in on the live account too. Same trade, 100-point stop. Yeah, we'll see. Oh, damn. Instant little reaction. Let's see if it's actually gonna mean anything. Some live content recorded for some live trading videos just to show you guys the real sauce. But I'm in this trade. I ended the call because it is 11 o'clock, even though I took the trade before 11, as my rules are. We'll see what happens. All right, right now, back in the crib and everything. I'm just cleaning up while I have this live trade going on, just trying to get some live trade action. I haven't been recording live trades in I don't even know how long. I used to do them heavy in like 2021, 2022, but I've been live trading, just not having the trades recorded live, if that makes sense. But yeah, I'm trying my best right here. But the trade we're in is slow as shit. Slow ass trade, but there you guys are. But yeah, so I'm just gonna spend the time. My girlfriend's over there, and then I'm gonna clean up around here before we get ready to probably go get some food and go to Dave & Buster's. That's the plan today. We wanna go to this Dave & Buster's that apparently got remaked over or something. We're gonna go check it out, and that's probably gonna be the end of the vlog, but let's see what happens. This might be a crazy vlog if this trade hits TP. If it doesn't hit TP, it's still a crazy vlog. While I'm out here getting a workout, we're about to hit TP1 on the trade. We're about to be up 1,000. Boom, we're up 1,000. That is TP1. We are going to be breaking even on both the live account and on the funded account. But yeah, now it's 100% a fully break-even day. It's a little windy, but I'll edit it later on so it's not too loud for you guys. Let me sit down right here. I'm just trying to make sure I actually am able to break even before it does any dumb shit. All right, we're 100% break even on the funded account, and if I come over to the live account, we were up at TP1. I'm about to break even, but we're up about $600 right now. I'm still gonna break even though I'm not at TP1 because we hit TP1 and we started retracing just now. But stop loss is going to entry, hopefully you can see. And there we go. I'm break even on both the live and the funded account. So yeah, it's a break even day. We're not losing money this week. There's only possible upside right now. Let me get back to working out. All right, team, and this is where the video is gonna be coming to an end. We're gonna end up going to Dave & Buster's later on tonight, so I'm not gonna have it in the vlog right now. I'm just gonna enjoy it. So that's the vibes. I'm gonna see you in the car. That's where I'm gonna formally end it, but I just thought I'd let you know. How do you guys like the slides though? These are the ones I got in Orlando. But like I said, we're gonna be ending the video. I'm inside the Porsche, and I'm gonna have this Porsche until tonight.
and then I'm getting in something else because my car still has to get worked on. I have my appointment for 8:30 in the morning because I couldn't get anything for today. So for me to get around, for me to take my girlfriend's cousin and her baby back home because we're with them right now. They're at the apartment, and that's where I'm going right now to go get food so I can come back home and edit the video for you guys before we go to Dave & Buster's tonight. But yeah, that's the vibes. You want to work with me one-on-one like the students and to be able to get access to all the trades like you see me take on a daily basis. First link in the description. Apply down below. I got about 7 spots available. So if you think you're a good fit, apply, and I can help you make your first 5 figures when it comes to trading. And if you want the free trading training, the second link in the description. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay busy, and stay productive.